Are your faces like this? Age doesn't look big, but it's full of these things.
Leave it on for 4 minutes without wiping it off. Then it will bubble up and cleanse your skin. It feels cool when applied, and you can feel it drawing out dirt from beneath your skin. No matter how long you've had acne or blackheads, just apply it where needed. It's worth the price. Yes, look at the effect. It's visibly clean, and thorough cleansing can be mistaken for naturally good skin.
Ako kakawala sa kung ano na ang nakatadhana. Kahit ano bang iba to, ipapagod lang.
Kahit may butas ang balde, patuloy na magigib. Lunurin ng daga na nakatira sa iyong dibdib. Pumasok ka sa butas kahit daan ay masikip. Sa dulo ay merong liwanag na iyong makakamit. Aking nawawag sa akin na nakaharang sa akin. Kahit mabubog sa paglakad